Hello friends, today we are going to see few things related to making quilt Christmas tree ornaments. Christmas tree ornaments follow the same pattern, so they are so much easy to make once you design the pattern. But to make them perfect, it is always good to have a grid or template. So this is a circle grid that is available on Google. You can just search them and take a printout of it. And then to protect them from the glue marks or the glue sticking to the paper, I just slip it down into a file protector. So I can just quill it on about this paper, and then when they are done, it is easy to peel off even if there are few glue marks left behind. And also make sure that you make all the quilled elements of the same size. And when you don't have a circle grid, you can also use a glass sheet or a transparent sheet on which you can just draw these lines and use them. Now let us see about sealing the quilt ornaments. After finishing the quilt ornaments, it is your wish to leave it as such, or you may prefer sealing them. If you seal them, just use a spray, a clear lacquer spray, but make sure to spray it in 2 to 3 coats, and also make sure to follow the directions given in the spray can. Instead of it, you can also use mud podge, or if you don't have mud podge, you can just use the PDF glue or the white glue which you are going to use in your quilling. Just take one portion of the glue and one portion of water, mix them all well. You can use a paintbrush, maybe a synthetic one, so it doesn't cling together and also so easy to clean up. And then you can just coat the quilt ornament in all the sides. Even in this, you should give drying time between coats, and it is preferred to give some 3 to 4 coats for better results. And once they are done, they will give a shiny look. And sometimes people also ask if it is plastic instead of paper. You can see it's super shiny in this piece which I have done few years back. And with mud podge, there is an option of matte finish or glossy finish, so you can go with any one of which you choose. Or as I said earlier, you can just leave it as such if you prefer. Hope you like this video. Tomorrow we can see about gliding your quilt ornaments.